midst of changing office, and a lot of things I learned here, which is how to reinstate the unit. So you see down here, this is our unit. The time where we just gotten it, and this is called reinstatement. So for those who don't understand, actually whitewash, right? The walls are basically means that you have to paint white every single thing. And the thing is, this is called epoxy. So epoxy is such a layer where it's supposed to be waterproof for around 2 to 3 years. And then you have to do it. So next thing you have to take note is that you are supposed to service all the air condition here. So, and there must be a receipt sent to the landlord when you return it to them. And this is cassette aircon, in case you do not know what's cassette aircon. So this is the big one that actually services the whole entire office. Yep. So this is our old meeting room. So the old meeting room right now is back to the original condition to pass down to the next tenant. Yes. So this is the tour to our office, and we will be moving to the new one very soon. So these are the things that I learned throughout the reinstatement of the office, and yeah, it's a very pleasant experience. And I do now know that renting office is easy, but if you want to make it back to original condition, that will always be the challenging part for everyone to take note. So if you want to rent an office, do take note of the cost, the expenses, and also to reinstate back. Oh yeah, one more thing I also remember is that now if you decide to do out the flooring, okay, so all the flooring here, right? If you want to try not to use carpet, because carpet there's a layer of gum or glue that will basically be sticky onto the epoxy flooring, so it'll be very difficult to remove. One trick is that a contractor actually mentioned to me that if you use tapin, tapin is the one that can remove the layer for the gum, and then after which you got to put another layer of epoxy again for the whole office. So to curb this problem, right, in order to have if you do not like epoxy, right, basically another way is that you can use the laminate flooring, the one where it's like a puzzle. So by putting laminate flooring, it's actually better for the epoxy flooring, and actually much better because you can remove it very easily. So when it comes to the flooring, do take note that laminate flooring is much better. Yeah, one more thing to take note is that for painting of office, if you are just rendering and it's not yours, that means you never purchase it, try to put those dark colors. So this wall originally is blue, and if you can see on the video, right, you can see that the blue is not easily covered by the white paint. So if you realize here and versus here, do you realize there's a big difference? So this is pure white, and this was blue originally. So by putting white, there was still a bit of color over here. So when it comes to painting, right, just be very careful. This is also blue wall. So for blue color wall, you realize that the color is not easy to cover up. Next thing to take note as well, black. This was originally a black wall. So the black wall, they will take quite a while, a lot of layers for it to be covered up. So when it comes to office, please be careful on the color choices, because it does make a difference when you are going to reinstate the house, or sorry, when you're going to reinstate the whole office. Yeah, so blinds as well, blinds. So down here, decided not to remove the blinds, to give it to a next tenant. It's easier for them because blinds do cost quite a bit of money. So yeah, this is basically the tour of the whole office before we return to the landlord. Yep, so hope everyone actually learn, and do consider your options when it comes to renovating your office. Alright, take care, and I see you soon.